What is a wedding flip and how is it DIY budget bride friendly? How are you today? I'm your wedding content creator and today I'm giving you a fabulous wedding planning tip. A wedding flip is using some or all of your ceremony decorations as your reception decorations as well. Your wedding decorators move this decor during the mocktail hour. Just after the wedding ceremony, the decorators are very busy. The flip can take place in the same room or two different spaces, but the closer, the better. Getting to use your same wedding decor during the ceremony and reception is amazing. It's budget bride friendly and you can do it yourself, of course, with the help of your family and a few good friends.